Today I am making chicken shashlik. Which ingredients I am using? 400 gram chicken. I am adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix it. Now marinate it for 40 to 50 minutes maximum. I am using sticks. 1 large capsicum, 1 large tomato, 1 large onion. Now we ready to cook it. Now I am adding onion, tomato, 1 chicken piece and 1 capsicum. Now it is ready. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Cook it on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes each side. Add the sticks one by one. After 3 minutes, turn the side and cook for 3 to 4 minutes again. Now it's ready. In a hot pan, add 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. Now mix well for 30 seconds. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of oregano powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Chinese salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well and cook for 30 seconds. Now you can see it's ready. Garnish with sauce. Sounds beautiful. It's yummy. It's tasty. Please try it and tell me how it is. And for Chinese rice, you can see my other video. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel.